Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy and today I'm going to be showing you a method on how you can remove facial hair from your face. This is a method that some people consider painful because it's going to be you doing a mask on your face. You know, when you go for waxing is kind of painful when you just apply the wax and you rip it off, but it treats the hair from the roots and you can be sure that it will not grow after some time. Some people use razor on their faces or like shaving stick or something on their face, but you have the risk of it cutting into your face and nobody wants that scar on the face. We are already trying to eliminate scars from our face, so this is one reason why this method is used by a lot of people, especially those that have a lot of facial hair. So people have hair all over their side bumps and all like that, and they try to eliminate it around their face. Some people have a lot of hair coming down to their forehead and they look for a way to eliminate it. So if this is what you've been looking for, this is the right video for you to watch. Most times, or for me, I just usually have hair around my, what's this thing called? Is it mustache? That's where I usually have hair, and that's where I try to eliminate it from. I use shaving stick sometimes, but once in a while I get a cut and it just has this kind of like bumps which occur on the face, and this is not something you would want. The face is very, very delicate part of the body, so you're looking for a much more better way of you eliminating your facial hair. So let me just jump right into this video and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to eliminate facial. So guys, I have all my ingredients here and I'm just going to be showing you everything. My core ingredient is gelatin. You can find gelatin in stores or places where they sell baking products because it's used for desserts and all those kind of sweet things. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of gelatin. I have half a lemon here. I'm going to be using half a lemon, or this is equivalent to about 2 tablespoons of lemon. So I'm just going to squeeze in my lemon because it's also a good source of you brightening your face and removing marks from your face. It removes your blackheads and everything that you want to remove from your face, blackheads, whiteheads, and all the things you want to eliminate from your face. Next, I have some milk here. You can use any kind of milk you have. I just use some powdered milk dissolved in water, and I'm just going to be adding 3 teaspoons of this into my mixture. Lastly, I have honey here, and I'm going to be using a teaspoon of honey. So I'm just going to mix all my ingredients together till I have a good consistency. Because of the gelatin, I'm having some clumps, so I have some hot water here. I have some hot water and I'm just going to place this so it can help me melt my consistency properly. Gelatin is used to like set things. It sets food, so, and this is the same thing it's going to do to your ingredients. So you might want to place it into either a microwave for 1 minute or into a bowl of hot water so that I can just melt it for you properly. So I have my mixture good. Can you see it? It's no longer clumpy. This is exactly what I need so that I can apply it very well as a mask. It should be in liquid form so I can go on your face properly. So guys, I've just tied a scarf across my hair so that I don't have any accidents, and with the help of my Vaseline, I'm going to be applying this on my brows so that just in case it doesn't pull out my brows, because this can be very, very effective. You don't want it to pull out the hair you're not interested in pulling out. So apply Vaseline on areas you don't want it to touch, like your hairline. If you don't want it to touch your hairline, just apply some Vaseline there and my brows. Make sure that your consistency is not too hot. This is what I have, and I'm just going to do this with the help of my foundation brush. I'm going to be applying it all over my face. guys, so I'm all done. I've applied the mask on my face and I'm just going to wait for about 30 minutes or when it's completely dry, because I need it to be a mask so I can just peel it off my face, and I'll be back to show you my results. So guys, I've had my mask on for a while now and it's completely dried, so I'm just going to pull it upwards. I may not be able to, it takes a long time because you have to be gentle with your skin. I'll try to show you as much as possible, but whenever you're doing the mask and you want to pull it or you want to peel it off, just peel it up upwards, like away from the hair growth, so that it rips it off like that. But I'll just show you how I'm going to start this. I'll be looking down at my mirror. So sorry guys, it was taking forever, but you saw the way I was doing the mask. I was taking it off. That's just the way you just take it off. I took it off completely and it took out all my facial hair. You can see how my face is now. If I had facial hair, it would still be there. So what I just did was I used warm water because of the gelatin, and I just washed my face again with warm water. Then what I do after then is to use a toner, because the gelatin I can feel like my face being dry, can tend to make your face dry. So before you sleep off or before you just apply makeup, make sure that you apply a toner. And I'm using my rose water here. You can either use that or apple cider vinegar mixed with water. So I'm just applying my toner on my face to restore the moisture on my face, so that my face does not feel too dry as a result of the gelatin I applied on my face. Then after doing this, you can go ahead and apply your moisturizer. I usually apply coconut oil, especially before bedtime, and this is natural coconut oil, homemade coconut oil. So I'm just going to take a bit of this and I'll just apply it on my face as well, so that it can restore the needed oil I need on my face. It's not a bad idea to apply oil on your face. You need oil is when you don't have enough oil on your face that your face begins to fight it and you begin to have acne. So apply oil on your face, make it well moisturized. In the morning I'll wash this off and I am good to go, and I have flawless skin. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. That's how you remove facial hair. If you are thinking of going the natural route, if you want to use razors or any other thing like that. If you did enjoy this video, apologies for taking too much of your time. Kindly thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're going to subscribe, so that you don't miss out other videos I'll be showing you. Thank you so much for sticking around and do have a nice time. Bye.